A lot of people are trying to find ways to make money online, and trust me, there are many ways to make money online today. One of my favorite ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can make you anywhere from $10 to tens of thousands of dollars per month. Affiliate marketing has been a great source of income for me over the past few years. It's almost 100% passive. And another great thing about it is you do not have to be monetized on these social media platforms or even YouTube to take advantage and make money while using affiliate marketing. So you may be wondering, what is affiliate marketing? According to Google, affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. This is the definition that I will be talking about today. So based off that definition, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money without having to develop your own product. Your companies will give you a percentage of the sales that you bring in. You have to put in a little bit of work over time, but the result come in like dividends. And I'm going to share the definition of passive income with you. Google doesn't have this definition, so I'm going to Wikipedia, which is hosted on the Google main screen. Passive income is income that requires minimal labor to earn and maintain. It is called progressive passive income when the earner expends little effort to grow the income. Examples of passive income include retail income and any business activities in which the earner does not materially participate. The reason why I say affiliate marketing is kind of passive income is because it requires a little bit of work. On YouTube, I have to plan out my videos, record the videos, things of that nature, put them out. And then from there, you have to go through and put your affiliate links inside of the descriptions of the videos so people can go ahead and click the link and then you will be able to earn a commission. Now, this is a little bit of work though for the reward. After you do the video, you have to go come up with the links and everything. All together, it may take you a few hours, but that can make you money for years and years and years. The way you get your commissions is all done through cookies. Yeah, not those cookies, but the cookies I'm talking about is the cookies that track your movements when you're online. And some programs allow you to have cookies on their link for up to 30 days, which means whenever somebody clicks your link, whatever they buy on that website over 30 days, you will get a commission of. So if you sell something on Amazon and someone buys something completely different for 30 days, you get a commission of that. But unfortunately, Amazon is not one of those companies. That was just an example. Let's talk about commissions. When it comes down to commissions, different companies pay different things based off of their program. Some companies give you a percentage, which could be anywhere from, I've seen the lowest being like 4%, up to the highest I've seen is 50% per sale. The 50% doesn't really happen often, but I've seen it. Then there are companies that give you a flat rate, which could be anywhere from 5, 10, 20, 15, whatever the agreed upon amount is. They give you that flat rate every time someone purchases through your link. Then you have your recurring commissions, which is when someone purchases, let's say, a subscription service. Let's use Netflix. Let's say Netflix is $15 a month and they give you 10%, so that's $1.50. Let's say that for every month that person purchases Netflix, you get that $1.50 deposited to your affiliate account every single month. So if they keep it for 3 years, that's 3 years of you getting the $1.50 a month. Of course, you'll want more people to purchase subscriptions through your link, because the more people that purchase, the more commissions you get. And then the longer they keep those subscriptions, it just keeps rolling in. So how are you paid? Every program is different. Some programs allow you to get payments weekly while others are monthly. That seems to be the average that I've experienced. And there are some out there that allow you to activate your payments whenever you're ready for them, as long as you meet the minimum threshold, which means you have to have a certain amount of commissions already in your account for you to get the money coming to your bank account. And for the most part, I believe it's around $50. That's really been the average that I've seen. Like, you have to have a minimum of $50 before they send you anything. But when you start diving into affiliate marketing, it's really easy to make $50. Let me share my affiliate marketing journey with you. So over the past few years, I've made thousands and thousands of dollars off of affiliate marketing. There are some people out there who've made millions of dollars. I'm just not one of them yet, but soon I will be. My very first experience with affiliate marketing was working with Amazon. Anybody can sign up for Amazon affiliate, and I believe I got the idea from Roberto Blake a few years ago. Didn't really know much about affiliate marketing, but I watched one of his affiliate marketing videos, and from there, it gave me the blueprint of what I needed to get started with Amazon. So I remember my first check like it was yesterday. I got $23, guys, $23. And I didn't sell a product or anything like that. The way this came about was I did a video about some cables, and I still have the cables to this day, audio cables, and I put a link to it in the description. And from there, people went ahead and watched the video, clicked the link, and it triggered commissions. That $23 was a small commission, of course, but it was my first one. And I was amazed at the fact that all I had did was went on Amazon affiliates program, found the chords, got a link, copied it and pasted it into my YouTube description for the video. And then when I uploaded it, someone decided to go ahead and purchase through my link, and they decided to support the channel, and I got 4%. And one of the best things about affiliate marketing is as long as the program is still around, you will earn money forever until they stop. One of the best commissions I've gotten from that video was on the holidays, where someone was doing all of their Christmas shopping. They clicked the link to the cables, they put the cables in their basket, and I assume they wanted some other things like toys and things of that nature. They bought so much stuff that it ended up giving me a percentage off of every single thing that they bought. So if they went and purchased a brand new TV, guess what? I get a percentage of that brand new TV, even though they just clicked the link for the cables. It's the fact that I still brought them to the platform to do their shopping. Like I said, Amazon gives 4%, and I was joking when I said it's so great because that's really low on the affiliate side. Since my early days of starting out using Amazon as my only affiliate program, I've worked with a few other great companies with their affiliate programs. Most of you guys probably already know I worked with Native Instruments on their affiliate program, and they are my favorite. It worked out perfectly due to the fact that the channel I was building was based around music production, and I already use Native Instruments products every single day, so it was just perfect for me to get involved with their affiliate program, and it has really built up to be something great for me. And since then, I even worked with different companies. And the beauty of all of this is I make a video, put it up on YouTube, put my affiliate links in it, and it generates income for years to come. I generate affiliate checks every single month. And with having a nice size following on YouTube, I make some money on my YouTube channel off of AdSense. But affiliate marketing, majority of the time, surpasses that, and that is awesome because it's another way to make money. And as I mentioned before, I don't even have to be monetized to do this, so which means you can go ahead and get started, and I'm about to tell you how right now. There are tons of affiliate programs out there. Some of them you have to apply to, while other ones you could just go ahead and get started right off the bat. It's good to make sure that you have some type of online presence, whether that's your Instagram page, YouTube page, your own website, blog, anything like that, because a lot of these programs will ask for a home page for you so they can check you out if they actually go check you out, or they just want to make sure you have a place where you can put your links. So once you have that together, you can go ahead and apply for a program. I would suggest Amazon, as they are the easiest to get started with, and I know they pay the lowest, but they are the easiest to get started with. Almost everybody uses Amazon affiliates. And I will put a link in the description so you can go ahead and check it out, so it'll take you directly to Amazon if you want to go over there and log in and apply. Best Buy and Target also have affiliate programs, especially as we get closer to the holiday season. Now would be a great time to go ahead and get started with those, because you know a lot of people are going to be doing online shopping this year, and you could get you a nice little percentage off of that. Now you might be saying, I don't even know where to start when it comes to this affiliate program stuff. Look around at what you use every single day. I guarantee you that some of that stuff has an affiliate program. Just reach out, whatever it is that you love or you use and you just are excited about using it. For example, if I love my camera so much, I'm going to reach out to Canon and say, hey, I shoot videos, photos, all of that stuff, and I would love to be a part of your affiliate program, because I can send people from my Instagram, my YouTube channel, whatever platform you use, to your business to buy the same camera I use. I get asked all the time, what do you use to film? How do you get your quality so good? I would love to send those people over to you. And if they have an affiliate program, that right there will probably work. I've used that multiple times and it worked out great for me, and I'm sure it'll work out great for you. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money, but if you want to know other ways that I make money, like my income streams, go ahead and watch this video right here. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and watch this if you want to learn how to make some more money online or how I make more money.